Well, very much. It has influenced people culture very much. In fact, the devotion to our ina is already made the center of our culture. In fact, our culture revolves around the devotion to our ina. What culture do we have? First of all, we are a people who have a great respect for our ina. And this runs through our yearly activity. Look, in October we have the Rosary Month, December, Christmas, then May, yung Flores de Mayo, all around the Virgin. But we express this devotion most especially during September. All other devotions towards our Mother, about the Virgin, are made secondary devotions. But the primary devotion of the Bicolanos is the Peña Francia devotion.